Hey everybody, welcome back to another unboxing video here on the Maine Morgue. As always, I'm your host, Jamie Santamore. This is January's Blu-ray unboxing video. For those of you that don't know, Horror Pack is a monthly subscription box that you pay either $19.99 or $24.99, and you get 4 DVDs for $19.99 or 4 Blu-rays for $24.99. And if you are fortunate enough to be able to buy both packs, you got guaranteed 8 different movies. If you use the promo code Join the Pack, you get $3 off your first month subscription. And if you use the promo code in the description below, you save me $3 on a future pack, which would be greatly appreciated. Alright, so I took the liberty of taking the tape off the box because sometimes it takes forever. So we're just going to open this up. Just going to toss that box. That'll make my cat happy. Alright, here we go. Up first, we have Dark Summer. It looks interesting. Creepy guy in a hooded mask. I don't know much about this. I mean, other than... I wonder if I love that it comes in a little box. Oh, and the cover art is the exact same thing, so that's pretty cool. I don't know much about this title. It looks like it's something I would be interested in, mainly because it looks like a slasher type movie, but we'll see. Alright, next up. Here we go. The Town That Dreaded Sundown. I assume this is the remake. I actually really enjoy this movie. I've seen it a couple of times. And, you know, this is one of those movies that I've wanted to purchase for a long time, but since I subscribed to Horror Pack, or I should say my wife did, I haven't really been buying a lot of Blu-rays or DVDs for that matter, because I never know what I'm going to get in the Horror Pack every month. So I'm very much looking forward to rewatching that one. I've seen it, I don't know, 2 or 3 times maybe. All right, next up we have the Horror Pack Limited Edition Blu-ray this month, which is Chopping Block. I have heard a little bit about this. Don't know too much about it, but I've heard a little bit about it on like Bloody Disgusting and a few other websites. So very much looking forward to it. I love the cover art. It's pretty cool. It says on the top here, 5 idiot kidnappers, 1 final girl, and 1 very angry slasher. So it's a slasher movie, so I will definitely check it out and hopefully be able to review it for the Horror Pack Indie Movie Review. Alright, last but not least this month we have George A. Romero's Diary of the Dead. I've actually heard a lot about this movie. I'm not a big zombie fan, but where it's George A. Romero, I will definitely give it a view. Not that, you know, it's not that I hate zombie movies. I just don't see the point in them for the most part, because they're all basically the same, or so, you know, the older ones. Some of the newer ones, like World War Z, I thought was really good because it had a really good story behind it. I loved Warm Bodies because it was kind of a horror comedy, or black comedy, I guess you'd call it, about this genre. But this one looks good. I mean, it's George A. Romero, so I will definitely check it out. And that is all I got for you guys this week for the Horror Pack unboxing for the month of January. So, folks, I will be back later with a Horror Pack Indie Movie Review, and this week's title is Murder Cycle. Yes, you heard that right, Murder Cycle. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really enjoy doing these unboxings because I think they're really cool, and they're actually some of my most popular videos. So I will continue to do them in the future as long as I'm a member of Horror Pack, or my wife is a member of Horror Pack. So stay tuned for those around this time every month. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everybody. And as always, may the force be with you.